Hi, I'm Sangeeta S. Abhishek and you're watching Turn Expert. In this video, we are going to look at the truth behind making money on Instagram. There are various ways to make money on Instagram, but I'm going to talk to you about the top 4 ways or almost the only 4 ways to make money on Instagram. Okay, let's look at the first way, which is something very well known to us, that is having a business on Instagram. I could sell clothes on Instagram, I can sell cosmetics on Instagram, I can sell milk on Instagram, tea on Instagram, coffee on Instagram. In fact, there are these two women who built a business on Instagram called The Home Edit, where they organized people's homes. And for example, if I ask them to come and organize my kitchen, they're going to put my cereals and pulses at one place, and then the flour on the other place, and then the masalas in one place in my kitchen, and they're going to use very attractive bottles to put them in, and my kitchen is going to look absolutely wonderful. For us, this may not look like a legit business, but it is, and they're making a lot of money, and they started their business on Instagram. In fact, nowadays there are these Hollywood actors who hire them to organize their homes, and that's the level that they have built their business, and they have branches all over the US. So if you want to build a business on Instagram, it is possible. The only thing is that you have to use all the features of Instagram correctly, and as a business owner, it is necessary that you need to understand everything about Instagram. Okay, be it creating content on Instagram, coming up with a design standard on Instagram, making sure that your branding is put on Instagram properly, the photography, the captions, the hashtags, stories, etc., etc. And you can also promote your content on Instagram. So as a business, this is what you're going to do to grow on Instagram and then make money on Instagram. Okay. The second one, the most sought after thing on Instagram, the buzzword on Instagram, is becoming an influencer on Instagram. This is something that everybody would want to be, right? An influencer on Instagram. And everybody thinks that if I want to be an influencer on Instagram, I should have not less than 1 million followers. So do not always run behind followers on Instagram. For example, I've seen even the top coaches talk about getting followers on Instagram, and one of the ways to get followers is to follow someone and then they will follow you back. Now it actually destroys the logic behind having followers on Instagram, which is like, if I have followers who follow me for who I am, who follow me for the value that I'm giving, then that is when I become an influencer, because I now have the ability to make him take a decision because he valued my content and then he follows me for a reason, right? So you need to have that kind of followers. So I always tell people, do not run behind the number of followers, run behind the quality of followers. And in fact, if your content is great, if you're going to follow all the processes on Instagram perfectly, like having a proper hashtag, having proper captions, having putting in proper high quality images and videos, and also using other things like stories, collaborations, etc., you would be able to grow on Instagram faster, right? But people run behind followers, and these kind of followers who follow just because you follow them are not going to take an action when you're going to suggest them something. For example, I call myself as a mom blogger. Right now, I have a lot of followers, and I got all these followers by following someone, and they followed me in return. Now, I'm going to talk about having making people buy a baby product. right? So now I'm telling that this is what I used for my baby, and this is the stroller that I bought for my baby, and here is the link. You can go and buy too. And these people who are always busy and just like me in following and unfollowing people are not going to take my content seriously and going to take an action here. When they're not going to take an action on my content, then the business that I worked with, they're not going to make any money or not going to see any results with respect to creating awareness or creating, some kind of an engagement with the brand, right? So when you fail to do that, you fail to become a proper influencer. An influencer is supposed to influence people in taking a decision. The influence can be anything. You just created an awareness, you just made people to go to their website and then see what it is, or you just made people to add things to the cart, or you just made people to go and fill up a form. It can be any kind of an action that people can take, from a small action to a purchase decision to advocating the brand. So if people are not going to take any of these actions in a company's marketing funnel, then that company is not going to consider you as an influencer. For you to become an influencer, you need to have a niche, as in a specialization, as in you are the authority in that particular field, and then you create content in that particular field, and people follow you for the knowledge, the value that you give them. Okay, so this is what it takes to become an influencer. And as a consultant, this is what I would look at in an influencer. And I'm not going to look at only the number of followers you have and take an action accordingly. If that is the case, then I am a bad marketer and I have a lot to learn, right? So just make sure that you create absolutely amazing content on Instagram. Learn Instagram as to how to become an influencer on Instagram. People will automatically come and follow you, right? Now, going to the next option, which is becoming an affiliate marketer on Instagram. An affiliate is someone who signs up with a company telling them that I would market your product. Now, the way that companies work with affiliate marketers is that when affiliate marketers go and promote, it becomes another channel for them to promote their product. So these affiliates, they'll go and sign up, and they have a unique link for them. When people follow this unique link and then go and purchase a product or service, these people get a commission. And you can become an affiliate and use Instagram as a channel to promote your products, right? So affiliate marketing is also done on various channels like YouTube, like Facebook, your blog, and then Instagram as well. Okay, now the last thing is you can become a freelancer or an agency to handle businesses on Instagram. So what you do is they're going to outsource the work to you, and you're going to manage the page, create content on the page, and then promote your brand on Instagram. Now for this, you need to understand Instagram thoroughly. Now go and take up a course on Instagram, which will tell you about the process of creating content on Instagram, branding on Instagram, writing effective captions on Instagram, how to set up a proper hashtag strategy on Instagram, stories, advertising on Instagram, collaborating on Instagram, working with influencers on Instagram, and so on and so forth. When you understand all these things thoroughly, you can work as a freelancer with a company, or you can become an agency and then work with a company as a company. Okay, signing off is Sangeeta S. Abhishek.